I'm a menace and a robber. Voodoo put a hex on you. 223 in a tech 2-2. Young nigga will step on you. Young nigga drop a check on you. Chopper make a nigga lean on you. Touch him as make him bleed on you.
True. It's your boy 44K. Expect the unexpected expectations. Yeah, we coming back. So this week, I'm just gonna be pronouncing that. This week, I'm gonna be making what you call this? What you call this one? Oh, a t-shirt review. So y'all must tell me what y'all think, right? Y'all must tell me what do you think about the t-shirt, you feel me? So the t-shirt is coming between this week and yeah, talking about it. So Slana, like morning vibes to school, you heard, feel me? So I don't like making long videos because they won't be doing the one, you see. So yeah, by the way, I just wanted to be even to do a tutorial, not a tutorial actually, a bedroom, what you call bedroom, what, yeah, to show y'all where I lay my hair. But anyway, that's the end of the video. Subscribe, yeah.